Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela, and in today's video I am going to give you guys a few recommendations of my favorite products. As you guys know that the Nykaa Hot Pink sale is live and they are running a crazy deals on a lot of products. So if you guys are looking to buy something, then this video might come in handy for you. So without too much blabbering, let's jump right into the video. I have a few skincare and then we will move on to the makeup. My first recommendation is a face wash. It is the Mamaearth Upton face wash. It is a beautiful face wash and also has a scrub particles that gently exfoliates your face. I cannot find my tube anywhere and I anyway ran out of it, so I think I discarded the tube. I have no idea, but that was a face wash I really love. So if you guys are looking for a good face wash, then definitely give that one a try. The next product I have for you guys are moisturizers. I have two recommendations. The one that I highly recommend is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is a beautiful moisturizer. It is also very lightweight, so it will suit all skin types, and it's ultra hydrating. It will make you feel it'll make your skin feel really smooth and look like you've drank tons of water. So I would highly recommend this one. But if you guys are looking for a more affordable moisturizer, then I would recommend the Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Moisturizer. This is also very affordable. It retails for just 200 rupees something, and you'll get it for even more off during the sale. The Cetaphil one is also not very expensive, but if you guys are looking for an even more affordable moisturizer, then this is a great one. The product I have for you guys is a toner. I have been using the Plum Green Tea Toner for quite some time, and I'm really loving this. It also has glycolic acid in it, so it will very mildly exfoliate your face as well, but the exfoliation is not something miraculous. But anyway, this is a very good toner. It is also alcohol free, so it will not dry out your skin. The next product I have for you guys is this O3 Professional Eye Cream. This is very hydrating but does nothing for your dark circles. You can use this beneath your makeup and it will help your concealer glide on smoothly. The next product I have for you guys is a cult favorite and my favorite as well. It is the Body Shop Body Butter, the strawberry variant. This is very moisturizing. It moisturizes your skin for good 8 to 10 hours. I use this after a shaving and it really leaves me with a smooth skin. It also has a very mild strawberry fragrance that lingers for hours together. So this is definitely a very good body butter, but this is a little bit on the pricier side. It is around 1200. So if you guys are looking for an inexpensive moisturizer, then the Biotique one will work well. You can use that on your arms and legs as well. The next product I have for you guys is a Stretch Mark combo. It is the Moms Co Stretch Mark body butter and oil. The bio oil is a very loved and raved about product, but if you don't want to use the bio oil, this is a good alternative to that. This does help with reducing stretch marks to some extent, but mostly this prevents stretch marks from coming. It moisturizes your skin and increases the elasticity so that there are no stretch marks. So you can use this during pregnancy. So moving on to my makeup, I'm going to start with base products. The first recommendation I have for you guys is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. This is a very inexpensive foundation, especially if it's on sale. It'll retail for around 500 something, and this is a very full coverage foundation. It is matte, so if you're from the dry skin category, you might want to mix this with a little bit of oil or hydrate your skin well before using this. But apart from that, this is a beautiful foundation and it gives you full coverage, so that is why I love this, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this one out. Moving on to concealers, I have two recommendations for you guys. The first one is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is a very full coverage and amazing concealer, but the shade Caramel is a little bit dark for me. That is why I use this beneath my actual concealer. But if you can find your perfect shade in this one, then this is a perfect concealer. The second concealer I have here is the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. This is a very thick concealer and a very full coverage concealer. So if you are someone who likes something like that, then you might like this one. Also, again, this is a little bit drying on your skin, so you might want to hydrate your under eyes well with an oil or a moisturizer before you apply this. The next product I have here is the loose powder, and the one I love and recommend is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade 25. This is a very great powder to set your makeup. Also, this has a little bit of a coverage, so you can use this just by itself. But again, this is a beautiful powder to set your base makeup. And also, again, this is on the drying side, so you have to hydrate before you do your makeup. So moving on to eyes, I have two mascaras for you. The first mascara I have here is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I use this all my college life, and I really loved this one, but then I switched to other mascaras and then forgot about it, and now I got this one again and I'm loving it. This is very inexpensive, great for beginners, and it really voluminizes your lashes very well. But if you are someone who who's bored of the Colossal mascara like I was and want to try something better, then I would suggest the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is also again a great mascara. It volumizes your lashes very well. It does not lengthen it, but it does voluminize your lashes. I would recommend using a curler before this, because this does not curl your lashes, but again, this is a great mascara. For eyeliner, I just have one recommendation that I have been using since so long. It is the Faces Ultim Pro matte eyeliner. I really love how matte and pigmented this is. You just need one swipe of this one and your eyeliner is going to be on point. I used to use the Color Bar one earlier, but I don't know, they've changed the formulation or something. It's now really watery. It's not very pigmented is what I want to say. It's not very pigmented. This is really pigmented, and I've been loving this one. For eye pencils, again, I have two recommendations. One is a Color Bar Eye Glide pencil. This is a great kajal pencil. You can use this on your waterline. It comes in 4 to 5 shades, I guess, and it's really smooth and glides really well on your waterline. Another recommendation I have here is the Faces Longwear Eye Pencil. This is so good. This is even more creamier than the Color Bar one. So if you apply it on your waterline, it will smudge a little bit. But if you want to apply it, as an eyeliner, as a colored eyeliner, then these pencils work really great. This is very creamy and glides on very easily. Also very pigmented. I really love both of these. The next product I want to recommend to you guys is eyeshadow palettes. If you are looking for a neutral eyeshadow palette that has a little bit of colors to it, I would highly recommend the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. Makeup Revolution makes a great palettes. I also have their nude, the 12 shades wala nude palette. That is also great, but I left that in Bombay, so I don't have it right now, but that is also a great nude palette. I'll show you how this looks. These are all the shades. It has some peaches, some blues, and a lot of neutral shades. It is perfect for everyday use, and you can create a lot of eyeshadow looks using this palette. But if you are looking for one palette that has everything in it and is a travel friendly, if you want that one palette that you can just pop in your bag and travel with it, then I would recommend the Makeup Revolution into Rachel Leary palette. This is again a great eyeshadow palette. It has 9 eyeshadow shades, and it has a contour, highlight, bronzer and blush. So you get everything in one palette. It is also a very pigmented palette, and again you can create a variety of looks using this palette. I really love this one. Coming to lipsticks, I have 4 recommendations. I do not have any blushes because I usually use my lipstick as blushes. I have a few blushes, but they're not so great. I like the blush in the Rachel Leary palette, but that is it. I don't really use a lot of other blushes. I have two liquid lipsticks and two bullet lipsticks. The liquid lipsticks I have here is the Lakme 9 to 5 weightless mousse. This is a great liquid lipstick. It is very creamy, very moussey, and it is very comfortable on the lips, does not dry you out, and the formula on this is amazing. It has a lot of shades, so you can choose whatever you want. I have the shade Plum Feather. This is a very plummy pinky shade, but again there are a lot of shades to choose from. Another lipstick suggestion I have for you guys is the NYX Lip Lingerie. I don't love the formulation of this lipstick, but the shade is to die for. This is a very neutral corally pinky shade that will suit all medium to dusky skin tones. This is the shade Exotic, I believe. I'm not sure. Yeah, this shade Exotic. This is a great lipstick if you're looking for that one nude lipstick that you can wear every day. Then definitely try this one out. The bullet lipsticks I have here are the Sugar and the L'Oreal one. This is the Sugar. It is a Nothing Else Matters lipstick. I have two shades, Red Rush and another Red Wedding or Red Redding. This is again a great lipstick. The formula on this one is very comfortable. It is very lightweight. Once you apply this, you will not feel like you're wearing something on your lips. That is how lightweight this is. That is why I love this lipstick so much. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today, and I really love the shade and formula and everything on this one. Another recommendation I have for you guys is the L'Oreal Colorish matte lipstick. This again is a very creamy. This is not a very matte. This is like a demi matte formula, very creamy, very comfortable on the lips again. This is the shade Divine Mocha, and this is a perfect brown shade for everyday use. The last product I have for you guys is a setting spray, and I would suggest the NYX matte finish or the dewy finish, whatever you like. The NYX setting spray, they are so good. This is a 60 ml bottle, and this has lasted me such a long time. You just need 2 to 3 sprays and your makeup is set for the day. That is how amazing this is. I have already run out of this. I mean, there is a little bit, but I'm going to run out of this soon, so I might repurchase this, but I highly recommend the NYX finish spray. So that is it for the video, guys. Those were all my recommendation. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.